All right, baby. Now we're talking, man. 76. Ed, now we're finally. There you are, finally. Look at now we're talking. My bread and butter, a Caprce Classic, 76. Yeah. Hey, by the way, those are the Corvairs that the guy worked on. The guy you contacted. I've seen this car here and there over the years. I think being driven. I don't think I've ever been able to film it at a show until now. Right now I'm in Farnham, Quebec. Here it's probably not even 11 o'clock. Beautiful Saturday morning. It's 9/11, 20 years since that horrible, devastating day. And here's a beautiful Caprce for you. What do they call glass house type of cars? Man, this car is so original though. I mean, look at that vinyl roof. Pattern is correct. Even the interior is showing some age because it's definitely original. Probably a 350 in this, I imagine. Yeah. But then again, in these cars, you could get, I think, a 400, 454. But of course, that didn't really matter unless you're towing something for torque because they didn't really have much more power anyway. The only thing that sucks about this show, I'm noticing a lot of people are sitting behind their cars. I don't have any angles really to show things too well. You know, when you're a perfectionist, eh? Look at that. Is that the original dealer tag? Well, I don't know what the hell that's all. Wait, if that's the original dealer sticker, why is it a sticker that looks modern? You know? Look at that. Chrome is beautiful. The plastics aren't even broken. They're not all warped. Because that stuff always breaks. It always warps. You know? There's your iconic Caprce crest, just like I had on my 78, which was actually, ironically, about the same year. Excusez-moi, monsieur, ça vous dérange pas? Juste en train de faire un beau petit vidéo du Caprce ici, ça vous plaît? Thank you very much, thank you very much. Déjà, il y a plein de gens qui sont en arrière des chars. Ça met des bâtons des roues un peu, mais écoute, je fais qu'est-ce que je peux, là, tu sais. Pas que je fais bien de l'argent dans ça anyway, comme YouTuber. Quand t'as la piqûre, you know, what can I tell you? Nice Camaro. But this is like, you know, they're raining these cars. There's so many of them. Don't get me wrong, I love these cars, but I would probably take the Caprce instead because it's so much rarer, you know. So, hey, monsieur, combien de millages vous avez sur cette belle ancienne? Hein?
Combien de millages?
Attends, Martine, là. 88 565.
Fantastique. Tu sais, l'affaire qui est le fun, c'est que vous saviez comme moi qui est un gars qui a été né dans 75, tu sais, il y a bien des choses des années 70 comparé à bien des choses ici, ça se trouve pas. Où c'est que tu vas voir un autre 4-door hardtop Caprce de cette année-là, tu sais?
Non, il n'y en a pas bien, bien.
Il n'y en a pas bien bas, pas en tout. Je vous ai vu passer quelques fois dans les rues de, je sais pas, Rive-Sud ou Laval, whatever.
Ouais.
Puis j'ai dit, un jour, on va le voir un show, puis là, vous êtes ici. Merci de l'avoir emmené, c'est vraiment...
Je reste à Terrebonne.
Ouais, c'est vraiment cool, tu sais.
J'ai tous les papiers, ces gens-là. Je l'ai pas amené. Windows sticker, je l'ai amené. Windows sticker, bullshit, owner...
Juste une question. Ici, là...
Oui.
Ça, c'est original.
Oui.
Hey, ça n'a pas l'air original, ça a l'air moderne. I was asking the owner about that sticker here because it looks modern. It looks like I could have put that on yesterday, you know? Parce que c'est avant ça, c'était... Ouais, c'est ça. Before that, it was metal. Right on.